Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to Tron on MEXC. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC app and then you need to simply log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I would recommend you to create your account here because on their 7th anniversary, they are giving you $8,000 worth of sign-up bonuses. I will put the link of that down in the description and it will increase your chances of getting this bonus in your account. Now, once you are in your MEXC account, simply tap on the more option and select convert from this page. Then you will be landed on this page where you just have to simply keep USDT in the from section and you need to tap on this drop down menu in to section. Now over here you need to simply just swipe down in the bottom and try to find Tron or TRX from this list. It should look something like this where you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert into TRX and then this preview conversion option will be activated. It is also going to show you the conversion rate for 1 USDT. Right now you are going to get 3.98 TRX. So once this step is done, you need to simply tap on the convert option and you will make this conversion with zero fees. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.